Lightning and thunder surprised a lot of people around the East Bay this morning. One Walnut Creek neighborhood dealing with the direct impact. That is where we find our Katie Nielsen. So, Katie, what happened over there?
Yeah, Sarah, as you can see from some of the videos we've already been showing you, lots of thunder, lots of lightning, and here on Elmwood Court, a massive redwood tree struck by lightning. PG&E crews still out here right now. That's because when the tree came down across the power lines. And the people who live here said it was so loud, it sounded like a bomb just went off.
We're okay. We have some damage and Mike has a little bit of damage, but I'm still shaking.
Christine Mitroff spent the morning talking with concerned neighbors about what happened when the storm rolled over their homes on Elmwood Court.
We heard several claps of thunder, and then all of a sudden, the whole house lit up white. And we ran outside, and we just saw one branch down in the driveway.
She's talking about what happened when this 85-year-old redwood tree that stood more than 120 feet tall was struck by lightning around 7:40 this morning.
The house shook, the whole neighborhood. Everybody's going, earthquake, earthquake, but then the explosion was just too loud. And we had transformers go out before, but not like this. This shook your core.
She says about 5 minutes after the initial strike, the tree split and massive branches and pieces of the trunk landed in yards and mostly in the road, taking down power lines when it fell. PG&E crews arrived on scene to start the repair work, but cut down and removed the tree first.
Nice little hailstorm going on here.
Kenneth Finch posted this video to Facebook of hail coming down immediately after the thunderstorm. And in Concord, another viewer caught this river of water coming off the roof. Doorbell cameras in the area also caught the early morning light show, and this Nest video caught a long, loud clap of thunder.
Right here.
Further south on 680, a massive oak tree came down across Happy Valley Road near Pleasanton-Sunol Road around 10:30 this morning. Public Works crews made quick work of getting it cleaned up and out of the roadway around 2 o'clock this afternoon. But back over in Walnut Creek, the tree cleanup continued as Christine watched with the neighbors.
Something that happens in the movies, maybe. That's why I watch Hallmark.
Now, PG&E crews still working on trying to get the remnants of that tree back down. Power restored to this neighborhood probably about 5, maybe 10 minutes ago, but they need to make sure that the rest of that tree is below the level of the power lines before they leave, just to make sure that in a strong wind, they don't have more problems with that tree, since they know now it's already unstable.